Hello everyone. Today we will be seeing how to take multiple tables, data from multiple tables and combine it into one table with selection of appropriate columns according to the need. Okay, so we will be starting up with Access that will be solving your problem. Okay, so we will be taking the blank desktop database and then we have given it a name that is database 1. So this is our blank database. This is how it will be looking. So this is table 1, which is not required at this particular time, which is a blank table. What we will be doing over here is we will be importing Excel sheets, data from different Excel sheets and combining it into one particular table. This type of problems, this type of need comes when in companies you have large amount of data from different departments or from different zones, and you need to combine them all into one particular table, but all the data that you are getting might not be of importance to you. Okay, so you will be selecting the data that you will be required, and then you will be putting up into one particular table in order to have a more summarized and more good view. Okay, so first we need to go to the external data option over here in the top menu, and then we need to select the Excel sheets as we are importing Excel data. Now you need to go to the location of your data. I have kept my data on the desktop and in the folder Excel. So this is the data I will be dealing with is of students of a college. I am dealing right now with a small amount of data, so that it is very much clear how to deal with it, and then you can apply the same to large data. Okay, so here we are referring to a table that is consisting of the details of a student. One table is consisting of the detail of the students, the other is consisting of the marks of the students after term 1 exams, and the third table is consisting of the marks of the students after term 2 exams. So this is the table that we will be dealing with. So we need to open it, and here there are three options, and one of the options that we will be using is link the data source by creating a link table. The benefits of this particular option is that whenever you are updating the data in your Excel sheets, that gets automatically updated in your Access database, and then you need to click OK. And so here you can see that, as I have already told you, we are having three different tables. So these are the names of the three different worksheets, you can say, and we will be selecting it one by one. So we will be first selecting the roll number table or worksheet, that is consisting of information such as name of the student, contact number of the student, address, and the guardian name. So click on next, and then it is saying that the first row contains column headings. Yes, first row is containing the column headings, and so we will be clicking next, and then here they are asking you regarding the name you want to give to your link table. So I will be keeping it as same as in Excel, and then click finish. So one of your table from your spreadsheet, that is roll number table, has been imported to your Access database. Now similarly you need to do the same thing for the other two tables. So I will be doing it a bit fast. And similarly for the third table. So these are the three tables that we imported and that we will be dealing with in this particular session. So we will be combining the data, different data from these three tables into one particular table. Let's see how to do it. So now for creating your table, you need to go to Create tab, and then you need to select Query Design. Here there is the list of the tables that you are having with you. So the tables that you need, data from the tables that is important for you, you need to select those tables. So we'll be selecting the roll number table, click on add. You will be selecting the term 1 marks table, click on add, and the term 2 marks table and click on add. So these are the three tables that we will be dealing with, and all these three tables are present over here. So now we will be clicking on close. So these are them. You can resize them, you can, for more convenient view, you can resize them. Okay, so these are the three tables. Now the fields or the columns you require for your master table or the new table, then that you can directly drag and drop down to this particular area. The first row is telling the field that you are dealing with and the table from which that field has been taken up. Okay, so from the first table we will be taking up two fields, that is the roll number and the second is the name. From the second table we will be taking up, let's say we will be taking up the average score of the term 1, and from the term 2 marks table we will be taking term 2 average score. So these are the data that we have taken from three different tables, and then we will be combining it into one particular table. So before creating the new table, you need to link this data on the basis of what is common in them. So you can clearly see over here that there is two fields that are common in all the three tables, that is the roll number field. So this is a kind of relationship between the three tables. So okay, you need to create this relationship in order to avoid duplicate data. In order, if you don't link this particular three tables, then the data you can see over here, the data sheet view. From the data sheet view, you are getting a lot of repeated data. For example, Ankit, and again Ankit is coming over here, and again Ankit is coming over here. So again go to the design view from here, and then link the common fields by just simply selecting it and dragging it to the same field in the other table. Similarly, okay, so this is how you need to do it. Now you can see your data sheet from the data sheet view. Okay, we have got a table from which is containing the roll number, the name, and the average score of term 1 and the average score of term 2. Okay. Now as we have seen through the data sheet view that yes, this is the table we need. So we will be right clicking over here and then saving it, and you can give it a name as results summary and then click OK. So this is the table that you have got after merging all the three Excel sheets and different columns from the three Excel sheets into one particular sheet or table, that is the results summary. So this is how you can merge different fields or different columns from different Excel sheets into one particular sheet. And the advantage of this using Access for this is that whenever you are updating your Excel sheets, that will be automatically updated over here. So this is how we need to do this particular problem. So thank you very much for watching us, and to learn more of Access or more of topics such as creating forms and reports, you can go to our other videos as well. Thank you very much. Thank you.